What if I told you that you could manifest $10,000 in just 7 days? Sounds too good to be true, right? But let me ask you this. Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work or how much you try, money always seems just out of reach? If that's you, you're not alone. And the truth is, it's not your fault. Most people don't realize that the secret to attracting wealth isn't about working harder or stressing more. It's about tapping into a power you already have within you, a power that can transform your reality almost instantly. In this video, I'm going to share a powerful secret, one that has helped countless people attract wealth beyond their wildest dreams. And the best part? It's simple, practical, and anyone can do it, including you. But here's the thing. If you truly want to unlock this abundance, you need to stick with me until the end, because I'll reveal one crucial step that makes this entire process work like magic. Trust me, this one shift could be the game changer you've been waiting for. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial destiny and bring $10,000 into your life in just 7 days, then let's dive in. Remember, your success starts right here, right now. Don't let anything hold you back, because you deserve this. Are you ready? Let's go. The law of attraction is simple. You attract into your life whatever you focus on with consistent energy and belief. Think about it. Your thoughts and emotions act like a magnet, pulling experiences, opportunities, and even money into your reality. But here's where most people get it wrong. They think they can just sit back, imagine a pile of cash, and it will magically appear. That's not how it works. The real secret is understanding that the universe responds not just to what you think, but to the energy behind those thoughts. If you're constantly stressed, doubtful, or focused on what you don't have, you'll only attract more of that lack. On the other hand, when you align your thoughts and feelings with the idea of abundance, when you truly believe it's possible, you start to notice opportunities you never saw before. Imagine your mind as a radio. You can't listen to your favorite station if you're tuned into the wrong frequency. If you're stuck on the scarcity channel, you'll only hear static. But when you shift to the frequency of abundance, everything becomes clear. Opportunities, ideas, and even unexpected sources of income start showing up in your life. The key is to stop focusing on the lack and start focusing on the outcome you desire. Visualize it, feel it, act as if it's already yours. The universe will match your energy, and that's when the magic begins. If you want to manifest $10,000 in just 7 days, the first and most important step is to get crystal clear about your goal. It's not enough to say, I want $10,000. You need to ask yourself, why do you want it? What will it do for you? How will it feel to have it? The more specific you are, the more powerful your intention becomes. Maybe you want to pay off a debt that's been weighing you down, start a new business, or simply experience the freedom of having extra money in your life. Whatever your reason is, write it down. Don't just think about it, make it tangible. Now, once you've written it down, visualize exactly how you'll use this $10,000. Picture yourself paying that bill, starting that project, or even holding the cash in your hands. What does it feel like? Relief? Excitement? Joy? Tap into those emotions, because they're the fuel for your manifestation. The universe responds to clarity and intention, so the clearer you are about what you want and why you want it, the faster it can deliver. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's aligning your energy with your goal. Here's the truth. Vague goals produce vague results. When you're clear about what you want, it's like giving the universe a direct address instead of saying, just send it somewhere. So, right now, decide exactly what this $10,000 means to you. Why does it matter? The answer to that question will set the foundation for everything else you're about to learn. Here's the powerful secret most people overlook. Your subconscious mind is the true driver of what you attract into your life. While your conscious mind sets the goal, it's your subconscious that determines whether or not you'll achieve it. Think of it like this. Your subconscious is running the show 95% of the time, shaping your beliefs, decisions, and actions based on the patterns it's been programmed with. If you've been raised to believe that money is hard to come by or that you're not lucky enough to be wealthy, those beliefs are buried deep in your subconscious, quietly sabotaging your efforts to manifest abundance. But here's the good news. Your subconscious mind is incredibly powerful, and it can be reprogrammed. It doesn't distinguish between imagination and reality. When you vividly imagine yourself with $10,000, feeling the excitement, security, or joy it brings, your subconscious starts to accept that as your reality. Over time, it shifts your energy, your thoughts, and even your behavior to align with that belief. Suddenly, you begin noticing opportunities you would have ignored before. You feel more confident, more inspired to take action, and more aligned with abundance. This process starts with consistent repetition. Spend just a few minutes each day visualizing your goal. Close your eyes and see yourself already having that $10,000. Feel the emotions as if it's already yours. The more you do this, the more your subconscious will begin to act like a magnet, pulling the resources, people, and opportunities into your life to make it happen. This isn't magic, it's science. Your subconscious is always working. The question is, are you programming it to attract wealth, or are you letting it keep you stuck? Energy is everything when it comes to manifestation, and your emotions are the key to aligning that energy with what you want. Think of it like this. Your feelings are the signal you send out to the universe. If you're feeling excited, grateful, and confident about your goal, you're broadcasting the frequency of abundance. But if you're stuck in fear, doubt, or frustration, you're sending a signal that repels what you desire. It's not just about thinking positive thoughts. It's about genuinely feeling the energy of what you want, as if it's already yours. Start paying attention to how you feel when you think about money. Are you filled with stress, or do you feel calm and abundant? If it's the former, that's okay. But now's the time to shift it. Gratitude is one of the quickest ways to align your energy. Instead of focusing on the $10,000 you don't have yet, focus on the money you already have or the abundance that's already in your life, no matter how small. When you're grateful, you're telling the universe, I'm ready for more of this. Another powerful way to align your energy is to act as if. Walk, talk, and make decisions as the person who already has that $10,000. How would you feel if it was already in your bank account? Confident? Relaxed? Step into that version of yourself every single day. Your energy is like a magnet, and the more aligned it is with the feeling of abundance, the faster your desires will flow into your life. Remember, the universe doesn't respond to what you want. It responds to who you are being. So be the person who already has it, and watch how quickly things shift. Manifesting $10,000 in 7 days requires consistent, focused action every single day. But here's the key. These actions aren't about forcing things to happen. They're about creating alignment between your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Every morning, start your day by visualizing your goal. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already having the $10,000. See it in your bank account, feel the excitement and relief of knowing it's yours, and focus on the freedom it gives you. This sets the tone for your entire day and keeps your mind focused on abundance. Throughout the day, take small, inspired actions. These aren't random tasks. They're steps that feel aligned with your goal. Maybe it's reaching out to someone about an opportunity, revisiting an idea you've been putting off, or even brainstorming ways to create value that could bring money into your life. Listen to your intuition. It's your subconscious guiding you toward what's possible. Trust those nudges, no matter how small they seem. Finally, end each day with gratitude. Reflect on everything that went well, no matter how small. Did you have a new idea? Did someone unexpectedly help you? Did you take one positive step forward? Gratitude amplifies the energy of abundance and signals to the universe that you're ready to receive more. Over these 7 days, these daily habits create momentum, align your energy, and open you up to possibilities you may not have noticed before. Stick with it and watch what happens. Limiting beliefs are the invisible chains that keep you stuck in the same financial reality, no matter how much you try to change it. These beliefs are often so deeply rooted in your subconscious that you don't even realize they're there. Maybe you've been told that money is hard to come by, that wealth is reserved for a lucky few, or that you're not deserving of financial success. These thoughts create a mental barrier, and as long as they remain unchallenged, they'll continue to block you from attracting the abundance you want. The first step to removing limiting beliefs is recognizing them. Pay attention to the thoughts that come up when you think about manifesting $10,000. Do you hear a voice in your head saying, "That's impossible," or "I can't do that"? If so, know that those thoughts are not the truth. They're just stories you've been repeating to yourself. Once you identify them, replace them with empowering beliefs. Instead of, "I can't afford this," try saying, "I'm finding new ways to bring money into my life." Instead of, "Money is hard to get," say, "Money flows to me with ease." Words have power, and the ones you choose shape your reality. As you work to shift these beliefs, remind yourself that abundance is your natural state. There is no limit to the wealth available in the universe, and you are just as worthy of it as anyone else. Each time a limiting belief arises, challenge it, reframe it, and replace it with something that aligns with the abundant life you're creating. This is how you break free from scarcity and step into a mindset of true prosperity. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. One of the most powerful, yet difficult, parts of manifesting $10,000 or anything in life is learning to trust and let go. After you've set your intention, visualized your goal, aligned your energy, and taken inspired action, the final step is to release control over how and when it will happen. This might sound counterintuitive, but holding on too tightly or obsessing over the outcome creates resistance. It sends the message to the universe that you don't truly believe it's possible, and that energy of doubt can block what you're trying to attract. Letting go doesn't mean giving up on your goal. It means trusting that it's already on its way. Imagine planting a seed in a garden. You water it, give it sunlight, and nurture it, but you don't dig it up every day to check if it's growing. You trust that the process is working, even if you can't see the results immediately. Manifestation works the same way. Once you've done your part, trust that the universe is handling the rest. Stay open to how the $10,000 might come into your life. It may not show up exactly how you imagined, but that's part of the magic. The universe often works in ways we can't predict, bringing opportunities, connections, or ideas that lead to what we want, or something even better. So, release any anxiety, celebrate the progress you've made, and remind yourself daily that what you desire is already yours. Faith and surrender are the final keys to unlocking abundance, and when you let go, you allow the flow of prosperity to come into your life effortlessly. Now that you know the steps to manifest $10,000 in just 7 days, the only thing left to do is take action and trust the process. Remember, it all starts with clarity, knowing exactly what you want and why it matters. From there, you align your energy, reprogram your beliefs, take inspired action, and most importantly, let go and trust that the universe is working in your favor. The truth is, you already have the power within you to create the life you desire. It's not about waiting for the right moment or for circumstances to change. It's about deciding that abundance is yours right now. So, what are you waiting for? Start today. Visualize it, feel it, and act as though it's already here. The $10,000 you're manifesting is just the beginning of what's possible when you align your mind, energy, and actions with your goals. If this resonated with you, let me know in the comments what step you're taking first, and remember to share this with someone who needs to hear it. Your journey to abundance begins now. Go out there and make it happen.